I've got the middle school blues.
I got the washing dishes blues.
I've got the I Can't Drive blues.
I've got the morning blues. I've got the CRCT blues. I've got the blue blues.
I have the sky blues.
Good morning, blues, blues, how do you do? And good morning, blues, blues, how do you do? I'm doing very well, good morning, how are you? You ever get up?
Blues originated around the end of the 19th century in African American communities in the southern United States. The art form developed from spirituals, work songs, field hollers, shouts, and chants. However, the poetic and musical form of the blues first gained attention around 1910 and later became popular through the publication of W.C. Handy's Memphis Blues and St. Louis Blues. The blues really took off during the 20s, becoming a national craze. The first vocal blues recording was Crazy Blues by Mamie Smith. The blues heavily influenced jazz and gave way to blues singers such as Bessie Smith. The blues scene began to migrate from southern cities such as Memphis to northern cities like Chicago and Detroit, where blues started to be played by electric guitars. In the late 1940s, the style of Mississippi Delta blues became popularized by northern artists such as Muddy Waters, Willie Dixon, John Lee Hooker, and Howlin' Wolf. This music was accompanied by bass, drums, piano, and harmonica. B.B. King was a pioneer of a style of blues that infused jazz technique. In 1956, Elvis Presley scored big with the blues artist Big Mama Thornton's song, Hound Dog, which she originally recorded in 1953. In the 1960s, blues music began to be recognized and celebrated by the popular white artists at the time, such as the Rolling Stones, the Yardbirds, and Cream. This helped blues artists transition into popularity among a young white audience, which they had not previously been able to do. Artists such as Eric Clapton, Jimmy Page, Jimi Hendrix, and Eddie Van Halen continued to popularize the blues with their blend of blues into rock and roll. Since that time, blues has continued to have a strong influence in most popular music genres.